Check this UltFone iOS system repair review to discover its key features, pros and cons, pricing, and how to use it. Part 1. UltFone iOS System Repair Review. UltFone iOS System Repair is a popular iOS system repair software on the market, designed to provide ordinary users with a fast and secure system repair solution. Whether it's system crashes, screen freezes, or failed iOS updates, it claims to fix these issues without data loss. 1.1 Main features of UltFone iOS System Repair. Downgrade from iOS 18.26 without iTunes. One-click to enter and exit recovery mode on iPhone or iPad or iPod. Fix over 150 iOS system issues, including Apple logo, reboot loops, and black screen, without losing any data. Fix 36 plus Apple TV tvOS issues and 200 plus iTunes errors. Easily back up and restore iPhone data without iTunes or iCloud. Reset iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch without a password, iTunes, or Finder. Upgrade to the latest iOS or iPadOS or macOS versions. Support all iOS versions and iPhone models, including the latest iPhone 16, 16e series and iOS or iPadOS 18.26. 1.2 Pros and cons of UltFone iOS system repair. To evaluate if UltFone is worth your investment, it's important to weigh its strengths and limitations based on real-world usage and expert reviews. Pros: user-friendly interface, suitable for non-tech users. Support a wide variety of iOS or iPadOS or tvOS or iTunes issues. Allow iOS downgrade without jailbreak. Available for Windows and Mac. No data loss in standard repair mode. Highly compatible. Supports the latest iOS or iPadOS versions. Offer a free trial version to detect issues first. Cons: deep repair mode erases all device data. The free version is very limited, only exit or enter recovery mode. The free version has limited features. The full version requires payment. iOS downgrading is subject to Apple's signature restrictions and may not always be successful. Slightly expensive compared to similar tools. 1.3 Price of UltFone iOS system repair. Price is an important factor in this UltFone iOS system repair review. The software offers several license options depending on your usage needs. For individuals, Windows. For individuals, Mac. For business, Windows and Mac, $79.95. Part 2. How to use UltFone iOS system repair. If you want to use UltFone iOS system repair to fix your iOS system issues, you can follow the steps below. Step 1. Download and install the program on your PC or Mac. Then connect your iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch to your computer. Click Start Repair to enter the iOS System Repair module. Step 2. On the next screen, select Standard Repair to proceed. Step 3. Before starting the repair, click the Download button to download the firmware package that matches your device. If you want to change the download location, click Browse to select a different folder. Step 4. Once the firmware package has been downloaded, click Start Standard Repair to begin fixing the iOS issues on your device. Step 5. Wait a few minutes for the iOS system repair to complete. After the process finishes, your device will automatically restart and everything will return to normal.